Seafood lasagna, fish recipes. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 250 grams, raw prawns. 8 ounces, 250 grams, scallops. 1 pound, 500 grams, fillets lemon soles. 2 shallot. 1 ounce, 30 grams, more for baking dish butter. 2 fluid ounces, 60 ml, white wine. 1 tablespoon, 15 ml, vegetable oil. 8 ounces, 250 grams, fresh or dried lasagna noodles. 3 ounces, 90 grams, Gruyere cheese. Salt and pepper. For the sauce: 1 onion. 16 fluid ounces, 500 ml, milk. 1 bay leaf. 6 peppercorns. 1 pound, 500 grams, plum tomatoes. 6 ounces, 175 grams, mushrooms. 1 ounce, 30 grams, butter. 1 ounce, 30 grams, flour. 1/4 pint, 150 ml, double cream. 8 sprigs of fresh parsley and basil. 1/4 teaspoon, 1.25 ml, crushed chilies, more to taste. Other suitable fish: Huss, plaice, red gurnard. Steps. Step 1. Peel off the shells from the prawns. Make a shallow cut along the back of each prawn and remove the dark intestinal vein. If the prawns are large, cut them lengthwise in half. Peel shell from prawn starting at head end, then tail can be nipped off easily. Step 2. If necessary, remove and discard the tough muscle at the side of each scallop. Rinse the scallops with cold water, drain, and pat them dry with paper towels. Step 3. Using the small knife, cut large scallops crosswise in half. Step 4. Rinse the sole fillets with cold water and pat dry with paper towels. Cut into several pieces. Refrigerate until ready to use. Pieces of fish will be easy to distribute evenly in dish. Step 5. Peel the shallots and separate into sections if necessary. Slice horizontally towards the root, leaving the slices attached at the root. Slice vertically, again leaving the root end uncut, then cut across the shallot to make fine dice. Step 6. Heat the butter in a medium saucepan. Add the chopped shallots and sauté, stirring, until soft but not brown, 1 to 2 minutes. Add the prawns and scallops, and season with salt and pepper. Step 7. Cook over medium heat until the prawns turn pink and the scallops become opaque, 2 to 3 minutes. Add the white wine and bring just to a boil. Step 8. Remove the pan from the heat with the slotted spoon, lift out the prawns and scallops and reserve them. Set the cooking liquid aside. Do not overcook prawns or they will be tough. Cooking liquid will enrich sauce. Make the sauce. Step 1. Peel and quarter the onion. In a saucepan, combine the onion, bay leaf, milk, and peppercorns. Bring to a boil, then cover and keep in a warm place, 10 minutes. Meanwhile, peel, de-slice, and chop the tomatoes. To save time, you can use 250 grams, 8 ounces, drained canned plum tomatoes. Infusing milk with onion adds extra flavor. Flavored milk makes aromatic addition to sauce. Step 2. Wipe the mushroom caps with a damp paper towel and trim the stalks even with the caps. Set the mushroom stalk side down on the chopping board and slice them. Step 3. Add the sliced mushrooms to the reserved prawn and scallop cooking liquid and simmer 2 minutes. Set aside. Step 4. Melt the butter in another saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in the flour and cook until foaming, 30 to 60 seconds. Step 5. Take the pan from the heat, let cool slightly, then strain in the milk. Whisk to mix. Return to the heat and cook, whisking constantly, until the sauce boils and thickens, 2 to 3 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and simmer about 2 minutes. Remove from heat. Straining removes flavorings. Step 6. Pour the double cream into the white sauce and then whisk vigorously to mix. Take care, if the sauce forms lumps at any stage, whisk vigorously off the heat. If whisking is not sufficient, strain the sauce. Step 7. Add the mushrooms with their cooking liquid to the saucepan, then add the chopped tomatoes. Return the pan to the heat and simmer 2 minutes. Tomatoes and mushrooms give sauce its character. Step 8. Strip the parsley and basil leaves from the stalks and coarsely chop. Step 9. Stir the herbs into the sauce with the crushed chilies, salt, and pepper. Set the sauce aside. Assemble and bake the lasagna. Step 1. Fill the shallow saucepan with water, bring to a boil, and add the oil and 15 ml, 1 tablespoon, salt. Add the noodles one by one and simmer until just tender, 3 to 5 minutes for fresh, 8 to 10 minutes for dried, or according to package directions. Step 2. Using the slotted spoon, lift out the lasagna noodles and put them into the colander. Rinse with cold water and drain again thoroughly. When cold, spread out on a clean dish towel to dry. Grate the Gruyere cheese. Step 3. Heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, gas 4. Butter the baking dish. Ladle 1/4 of the sauce over the bottom of the prepared dish and arrange half of the prawns and scallops on top. Dot sauce with prawns and scallops. Step 4. Cover the sauce and prawn and scallop mixture with a layer of lasagna noodles. Step 5. Put the fish pieces in one layer on top of the lasagna. Coat the fish with 1/3 of the remaining sauce and cover with lasagna noodles. Step 6. Add the rest of the prawns and scallops followed by half of the remaining sauce, then cover with the remaining lasagna noodles. Ladle the remaining sauce evenly over the top. Sprinkle with the grated Gruyere cheese. Creamy sauce tops seafood. Final sprinkling of cheese ensures brown topping. Step 7. Bake the lasagna in the heated oven until bubbling and golden brown on top, 30 to 45 minutes. To serve. Step 1. Cut the lasagna into squares and serve hot from the baking dish onto warmed individual plates. Crispy topping gives crunch and texture. Tomatoes give color to finished lasagna. Preparation time, 45 minutes. Cook time, 45 minutes. Ready time, 1h 30 minutes.